Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be a talk through about some new products. So I want to show you girls what the new products are. Okay. So first, the new product is the new, well, this is not new to y'all probably, but it is new to me. The Master Prime Illuminate and Blur Primer. Okay, I used this a couple times and I'm really loving it. I'm not really expecting a miracle for, you know, $5, but I do like this primer. And the next new thing is the new Milani translucent powder. This is their Make It Last powder in medium to deep, and I used to set under my eyes. I'm assuming this may be in comparison to the Laura Mercier medium to dark powder. It is really, I like the coverage of it. The next and last product that is new to the market is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and I got this in the color tan. I use it to conceal under my eyes, my nose, my chin, and my forehead, and I really like this. It's not too many concealers that really cover and don't move around when it's time to blend out, and this is one of the ones that does not move around. I'm blending it out and it's staying where it needs to stay. Of course, you have to make it, let it set for a little bit, but it stays where it needs to stay. And I didn't experience that minty burning sensation under my eye. I kind of smelled a little bit of the eucalyptus or mint or tea tree type of ingredients that they have in it probably, but it did not burn under my eye. But that is, oh no, the new, not new to y'all, but new to me, Fit Me powder, the loose powder for all of your face. I really love that. I used it a couple times and just doing makeup and stuff, and I really like it. This, you literally pat in your face and blend it around, and it covers everything, and it's nice and smooth. It's not patchy, it's not cakey, it's really nice and smooth, and I'm really enjoying that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any more questions, or not anymore, but if you have any video questions, let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in the next one. Bye girls. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be a kind of first impressions on some new products. So if you are interested, then stay tuned. First, I'm going to start off with the Bad Habit Athena palette. This is the 18 color eyeshadow palette, and I got this from shophudge.com. First, I'm taking Laura from the palette, and I'm just going to use this as a transition color. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Heroic from the palette. Next, I'm going to go in the color Clever in the same palette. Next, I'm going to go with my CoverGirl Queen Bronzer and Ebony Bronze. My NYX Blush and Cinnamon. My Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and Caramel. Next thing, I'm going to go with the color Medusa from the same palette. For primer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Prime, Blur, and Illuminate. Take my Touch and Glow Radiance Cream. Next, I'm going to take my NYX Total Control Drop Foundation and Mocha. Next, I'm going to use the new Maybelline Age Rewind Eraser in the color Tan. And I'm just going to go on my chin, my under eyes, my forehead. Now I'm taking the new Milani translucent powder in medium deep. This is their Make It Last setting powder. I'm taking my e.l.f. sponge and going to set my under eye with this. I'm taking the new Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and this is in the color Deep. I'm going to use my CoverGirl Queen Bronzer and Ebony Bronze. Use my NYX Blush and Cinnamon. My e.l.f. highlighter and Apricot Glow. My Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio highlighter in Molten Gold.